you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are swatching the Kim Kardashian West KKW Beauty red lip collection. So this has the shades Classic Red, Hot Sauce, and Candy Apple Red. And I just thought this would be fun because I don't wear reds that often, but I wish I did, because I feel like they can make any outfit, they can make, unless you're wearing like pink or something, but they can make any outfit look like more polished, and it just makes you look like, I don't know, more mature, more ladylike. So I wish I wore reds more often, and that's actually why I wanted to try these to find my perfect red. So let's jump into this. Okay, so the first one we're gonna try is Hot Sauce. This one, like the little swatch thing on the front, looks like it's more of like an orangey red. I haven't looked at any of these. Oh, and it comes in the classic KKW packaging. Yeah, this definitely looks much more like orangey red, almost like my nails. So let's just swatch this. Ooh, that is definitely very orangey red. I do not have lip liners for any of these because I didn't know if I'd like them, and I didn't want to spend the money on the lip liners if I wasn't going to like them, and she didn't have this set with lip liners. So, all right, let's just, that is quite orange. Okay, so as far as the product goes, I've used Kim Kardashian's lipsticks before. I really like them. I think they're creamy without being overly sheeny, and I think that they last really well throughout the day. I just all around like them. This shade, however, is not for me. I feel like oranges don't look good with my skin tone, even though I do have orange nails right now. I just feel like this on my face, it just doesn't go well. I don't think that there's anything I could do to make this look good on me. I actually think this would look really good on my friend Laura. I don't know why, I think it's just my undertone, because I have that pink red undertones. It just clashes with the orange. So yeah, this is definitely not my favorite, but I do really like the product. I kind of feel like it's like stained my lips a little bit. The next one we're gonna try is the Classic Red. This is just one of those like classic shades that everybody has. I guess that's why it's called Classic Red, Katie. Yeah, I feel like most people look good in a red lipstick, like a really nice proper red, but it has to be a proper red. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Yes, that is a proper red lipstick. And I like this red. I feel like it would definitely work if I had like a dark smoky eye, or really, really neutral eye, flat, matte, not shimmery in any way. And you know, wearing a black dress or something. I feel like this shade definitely works for me. I think it works for anybody, but like I said, it has to be like a proper, true red for it to do its job. I did want to mention, with red lipsticks especially, you really do want to use a lip liner. Like I said, I didn't buy it because I didn't know what shades I was going to be into, and they didn't have them as part of the collection. But it really is important, because you can get like that feathering near your lip line throughout the day, and that's like the whole point of a lip liner, is to kind of stop that bleeding from happening. And finally, last but not least, we are doing the Candy Apple Red. I'm really excited for this. I really like Candy Apple Reds. It's the color of my car. I just think it's so pretty. I've loved it since like the Wizard of Oz Dorothy shoes. I just think they're so cute. Okay, so we're just going to swatch this. Pretty. I really like this one. It's a little softer than the Classic Red, and I just feel like it looks so nice. I don't know, I'm so like, I'm just over the moon with it. I really, really like this one. I wish I was one of those girls that could pull off that orange lipstick because I think it would look beautiful, especially with it being summertime, and it would be so much fun. But I think I'm gonna stick with the Candy Apple Red. Out of all of them, it was my favorite. I would love to know what your favorite is down below in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.